again, Achievers Consult, where science is made easy. We've been doing a series in Organic Chemistry 1. We have looked at various topics, isomerism, geometric isomerism, and we have looked at unsaturated hydrocarbons. Today we want to specifically look at saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. A hydrocarbon is said to be saturated when it contains a single bond. When it contains a single bond, it's said to be saturated. When it contains a single carbon bond, when you have it like this, single bond, it's said to be saturated. Then when you have double bond, carbon double bond, such a compound is said to be unsaturated. If you have a double bond or you have a triple bond, either a double bond or triple covalent bond, such a hydrocarbon is said to be unsaturated. Example, you have the ethene and ethine. These are unsaturated hydrocarbons because of their double and triple covalent bond. When the bond is single, it is said to be saturated. When the bond is double or triple, it is said to be unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now, a major homologous series of an unsaturated hydrocarbon is the alkenes. The alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons with a general formula CnH2n. The first member of the series is ethene. Ethene, C2H4. Then ethene, propene, and butene, they are colorless gases at room temperature. At ordinary temperature, ethene, propene, and butene are gases at ordinary temperature. While the next 13 members are liquids and others are solid. Please take note. Ethene, propene, and butene are gases at ordinary temperature. Now let's look at the industrial preparation of ethene. The first member of the alkene homologous series is ethene.
Why you put your hand?
With a molecular formula C2H4. In the industry, the major source of alkene is by thermal or catalytic cracking. Thermal or catalytic cracking. What is thermal cracking? Thermal cracking is the cracking that involves heat. What is cracking? Cracking is the breakdown of a higher molecule of the alkene to give you a smaller molecule. So when it involves heat at a higher level, it's known as thermal cracking. Then when it involves catalyst, the use of catalyst is known as catalytic cracking. Is that clear? So it is prepared industrially by thermal or catalytic cracking. Cracking of fuel or fraction from petroleum. The petroleum fraction is heated to 600 degrees Celsius. That's if it is thermal cracking now. You heat it to 600 degrees Celsius in the presence of oxides of silicon as a catalyst. The non-saturated hydrocarbon chain is broken down to give alkanes and a mixture of alkenes. Now this is an example. This is C70. This is a high molecular alkane. Are you getting it? Now it is being broken down into octane, ethene, and propene. So from this cracking now, we have gotten ethene. Hello? For example, polyethylene. You'll be hearing of polyethylene. The word polyethylene. This is a higher molecular. This is a polyethylene. Polyethylene is a higher molecular alkene. Are you hearing me? You'll be hearing the word polyethylene, right? Polyethylene bag. Yes. You'll be hearing polyethylene. So polyethylene is a higher broken down by catalytic cracking to polymer is a higher molecular alkene that can be broken down to give you ethene and other smaller alkenes. Is that taken? You now know where you hear polythene from. Polythene, that means many ethene put together. So when you have plenty of them, become polythene. And this polythene can be broken down to give you ethene. When you break it down, you have ethene and other smaller alkenes. Any questions? In the absence of no questions, see you in the next class. You can send your questions to the comment section. I will read and respond to them. Thank you. Stay tuned.